No controller, no joysticks, just you and your body movements. This is the game I made in just 10 minutes. And here's the best part. In the next 10 minutes, you'll create your very own AI game. And no, I'm not talking about using Unity or complex game algorithms. All you need is a little bit of creativity and lots of fun. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To create our AI game, we will use an amazing platform created by Avishkaar, a leading robotics and AI company from India. We will use the Avishkaar Maker Studio. So let's jump into the Avishkaar website and sign up. As you can see, I've already signed in, so I will just click on AMS and it will take me to the screen. From here, I will select the game builder. Currently, I can make only two types of games, the hand gesture games and the body pose game. I will go with the body pose game because our game is about jumping. So I'll click on body pose and now I'm into a game. Next thing I want to do is to first save our game using a name. But for that, I need to use some blocks. These blocks are the coding blocks similar to Scratch. This is very similar to Scratch and you can find almost every type of block over here. Next, I will give it a game and name it Jump Game. And save it. The next thing I want to do is to add some of the game assets into my game. So I'll go to library and first I'll add a background image. I'll go and scroll and add this to my game. Similarly, I go to background music. This is good, so I'll add it. And some tones. This one and this one. Come back to the block coding menu. Next thing is to add some sprites. Now the sprites can be found over here, so I will first search for a ninja. As you can see, I don't have a ninja, so I'll go to block coding and upload the sprite from my system or my computer using this one. You can see I have uploaded two sprites, one in the standing position, another one in the jumping position. Now let's create a sprite first and name it Ninja. This one, and I will also add a background image with this one. And let's see how this is looking. So I need to save my game and play. You can see the ninja is too big and I need to reduce the size of this ninja. And also I want to change its position and the image. I'll go back. First I'll set the image. Then I'll set the size to almost 35%. And then I will set the position. The position will be somewhere around here. So this is like 125 and 327. So I'll do this and I'll write 125 and 330, 325 actually. Save it and let's play it again. You can see the ninja is currently standing on the ground and the size is very optimal. So next thing we want to add is a shuriken. Now again, the shuriken is not into my game library, so I will upload it from my computer. The shuriken is uploaded, but the color is very dark and I don't want this color. I want the color either to be red, something like this, okay? So save, and next I want to create a shuriken sprite. So I will name it shuriken and set this. And then set the position of shuriken to somewhere around here. Okay, so I'll type this as 800 and save. And I also want to reduce the size of my shuriken sprite. Save, and you can see the sprite is already there, but it is not moving towards the ninja. I want to move it towards the ninja. To do that, what we'll do is to use the game loop block. And I will go to sprite. And first, I will rotate the sprite and then I will move the shuriken sprite towards the position of left side. So this side is 0 and I will keep the y as same, which is 325. Save it and play. And you can see the shuriken is moving and rotating towards the ninja. But the speed is very low. So what I'll do is, I will increase the speed as 15. And I will also do one more thing, which is, when my shuriken sprite moves beyond this 0 point, it should come back from another side. So I'll go to control, if sprite X position less than or equal to 0, what should happen? The shuriken point should be reset. So save and play. So now you can see the shuriken is moving and rotating towards the ninja, and basically whenever it is going beyond the 0th point, it is coming back again from the right hand side. Now half of our game is done. Let's move forward with the jumping of our ninja. But first, if you're new here, hi, I'm HMS and this is Random Stuff We Make. Here we create all the cool tech projects, from robots to machines. If you like any of this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any fun. Now let's move back to completing our game. To make the ninja jump with the player, we will use a simple approach. First, we detect the player's body pose and track the coordinates. When the player jumps, the waist or hip coordinates move above the halfway point on the screen. If that happens, the ninja jumps. If not, the ninja stays still. Let's use this approach into our game now. To detect the player's body pose, we will use this block, which says if the pose is detected. Next, we will track the coordinates. And to do that, we will use this block. Get position of key point, right hip. But I only want the Y coordinate of this position. So I'll go to world and pick up this block. So get Y from position of right hip. And if this is less than equal to the world half height, our player will jump or the ninja will jump. And to do that, we will move our ninja by keeping the X direction as same or the coordinate as same, but changing the Y coordinate and make its speed as 50. Also, I would like to change the image of my ninja while jumping. So I'll go to sprite and pick up the set sprite block. Set sprite image to this. Next is to bring the ninja back. And I'll do that after 250 milliseconds. So I'll make it like this and make it go back to the initial position with speed 20. Also, I will change the ninja image back to the standing one. Let's save this and test. As you can see, our ninja was jumping correctly. Now there are only two remaining things in our game. One is the life and another one is the score. We want our ninja to lose a life whenever the shuriken touches it, and to gain a point or a score whenever the ninja was able to dodge the shuriken. So let's add them into our game. We will first create some variable. Once this is done, I will check if the ninja sprite is touching the shuriken. If that is happening, we need to reduce or lose one life, and lives -1. Also, I will display this value onto my game lives, and I will also play one sound, which is the splat one. Also, if the life is less than equal to 0, we will stop the game and display a text which says game over. We also want to reset the shuriken position so that it don't mess up with our game. So I'll go back, duplicate this block and apply it over here. So as soon as our ninja hit the shuriken, we will lose one life and the shuriken will reset its position. Next thing is, if the shuriken is able to move past, if we are able to dodge it. So if we are able to dodge it, that means this condition, we will first play a coin sound and then I will increase the score. So set score to score +1 and I will display this onto my score tab. With this, our game is complete. Now let's test and have fun with this game. And here's your first AI game in just under 10 minutes. Add more cool features into your game and have fun with your friends. We will meet in the next video with some more random stuff. Till then, bye bye.